I'm at Seedco hybrid butternut baby marrow. Yes. So guys, today I'm at my place in the garden and I'm so happy. The sky is blue. It's blue. The sky is blue. I like blue sky. Hi guys, welcome back. So today I want to talk about butternut farming and baby marrow farming. And guys, we went to Seedco and we bought these seeds. We bought 500 seeds of butternut and 250 seeds of baby marrow. And this is our first time at my place doing baby marrow farming. And yeah, so when we went to Seedco, we asked the agronomist that we saw there, and we say, hey, this is our first time. This will be our first time doing baby marrow farming. Could you please give us something to follow, maybe stages to follow? Which stages are we supposed to follow if we want to put this crop on the ground? And this agronomist said, oh, you guys, let me give you this chart so that you can follow this chart when you want to do your cultivation. The first process that you are supposed to do when you are doing when you are putting this crop on the ground. So we took the chart. So from 500 seeds of the butternut that we put on the ground, the 50% is on the ground and the other 50% couldn't germinate. So, but if we talk about baby marrow did germinate very, very well, and we are so happy with the result. And we have baby marrow. As you can see, guys, this is baby marrow. You can see, guys, this is baby marrow. And this is baby marrow. We have 8 lines of baby marrow here. So baby marrow did germinate very well. So guys, my name is Chi Africa. Ndiri Mukunda we Africa, and Mukunda means the daughter, and I am the daughter of Africa. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. If you comment on this video, this is how I grow. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. Don't forget to hit the subscription and the like button. And Amanda F1 performs very well in open field, and Amanda F1 performs very, very well in all seasons. So this season we are in winter, and Amanda F1, I can say right now, this baby marrow is very, very healthy. So if we talk about the maturity, days to maturity, you can harvest baby marrow in 45 to 50 days. Baby marrow harvested while they are young and tender. So that's what happens with baby marrow. So guys, let me just move around and I'm going to show you that it's flowering and producing some fruits. So let's just move and you are going to see what I am saying. Let me get my camera so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. And as I told you guys, yeah, so guys, this is it. We are getting some flowers and fruits, and yeah, this baby marrow is giving us many, many fruits, as you can see, guys. So yeah, I'm very, very happy, guys, to show you this. If we talk about the storage of baby marrow is not suited for a long-term storage because they are harvested while they are young and tender. So they are not very suitable for a long-term storage. And if we talk about spacing, is the space where you can say, I can do baby marrow farming. If you have a very small piece of land at your place, you can do baby marrow farming, because baby marrow doesn't require a very big piece of land. From one plant to another, you need 1 square meter, 1 square meter, 1 square meter, 1 square meter. Even if you have a very small piece of land, you can do baby marrow farming. So this is it. We are going to sell some baby marrow. Yeah. So guys, where I am standing right now, that's where there is butternut. As you can see, there are some butternuts, and this side, they are growing bigger and bigger every day. This area, the butternut did germinate very well. But if we move to this side, there is nothing here, totally nothing, especially here. From here and there, moving there. As you can see, there is nothing that side. There is nothing, 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 totally nothing. So the butternut didn't germinate well. Let's move, and I'm gonna show you guys the potatoes that we have. What I can say about these potatoes. as last time I've showed you guys, here we had potatoes. We did potato farming. So from those potatoes, these are the potato tubes that we have selected from those potatoes from last time. We didn't buy this. We didn't buy these potato tubes. As you can see, guys, some of the potatoes are bigger, some of the potatoes are still germinating, and some are still small, and some are still on the ground. As you can see here, these ones. As you can see, guys, some of the potatoes are still germinating, like this one, and these ones are still small. We want to see if these potatoes are going to give us good yield. It's just an experiment that we are doing. I'm not very sure about this. If you are going to have good produce from these potatoes that we have selected. How many lines do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7 lines of potatoes. Yeah. So let's go. And this is our third time doing potato farming. So I can't really say we are learning. We are not learning now. We know better. We know better about potato farming. So yeah, this is our just experiment. We are just experimenting with potato tubes from our harvest from last time. Let's go. The cabbage is growing and growing and growing and growing every day. And yes, I'm so happy to see this. This is what is happening in this garden. Yo, yo, yo. This is so nice, guys. Wow. There is a very, very big change in this garden of ours.